Listen closely, because there is a fundamental misunderstanding about how men process love and loss. Many women make the mistake of thinking that when a man walks away, it is a final decision based on logic or a lack of feeling. It is rarely that simple. Often, a man leaves not because he is done, but because he is overwhelmed, he is confused. He is dealing with an ego that tells him independence is strength, while his heart knows that vulnerability is where true connection lives. When a man walks away from a woman who truly loves him, supports him, and uplifts him, it is usually because that level of intimacy feels too real, too exposing. If he has not done his own inner work, if he has not faced his own insecurities, he will sabotage that love, not because he does not value it, but because he does not believe he deserves it. Rather than face that reflection, he runs. He distracts himself with silence, with work, or sometimes with another person. But this is not healing, it is avoidance. And here is the truth he will not admit out loud. He remembers everything. He remembers your faith in him, your warmth, your consistency. But clarity does not come to him when you are there pouring into him. Clarity comes when you are gone. That is the painful irony. He could not see your value when you were present because he took your peace for granted. He assumed your love was a constant, something that would always be waiting. So when you finally step back, when you stop checking in, stop texting, and stop making yourself available for his half-hearted efforts, it shakes him. At first, he may act unbothered. He may post pictures, go out, and pretend he is fine. But behind that noise is a growing silence. It is the echo of your absence, and that is when the regret begins to creep in. He realizes that no one else matches your energy. No one else prays for him, listens to his ideas with such faith, or makes him feel safe. He starts to understand that what he had with you was not just convenience. It was rare, it was real. Even if he moves on to someone else, do not be fooled by the surface-level happiness. Often, a man chooses a new relationship not because he is over you, but because he is trying to forget you. He is trying to outrun the feelings. But the heart does not lie. He can be with someone else and still miss the way you looked at him, the way you believed in him. He may realize that the new connection is easier, less demanding, but easier is not better. Convenient is not fulfilling, and when the excitement fades, he is left with the comparison. He realizes that what he had with you was different. You were his peace. You were his anchor. And now, standing in a new relationship, he feels the emptiness because he traded depth for distraction. But here is the most important part. By the time he sees your value, you may no longer be the same woman. Healing changes you. Growth changes you. The pain taught you lessons. You have grown into someone who sees her own worth. You have learned to protect your heart. And that growth, that glow, is what brings him back. Not because he suddenly has it all together, but because he finally sees what was there all along. He is not coming back to the woman he left. He is coming back to a woman who found her power in his absence. Men return to peace, loyalty, and emotional safety. They return to where they felt rest. When he loses the woman who gave him peace, he notices it when he is with someone who creates chaos. He notices it when he realizes the only place he ever felt calm was with you. That emotional safety is rare, and when he loses it, he feels that loss deeply. But what pulls a man back stronger than anything else is not your waiting. It is not your chasing. It is your moving on. When you stop waiting for him, when you start working on yourself, not to win him back, but to find yourself again, everything shifts. He sees that you are glowing. You are no longer the same woman he left. You are better. Your standards are higher. Your love is wiser. And he realizes that if he comes back, he cannot bring the same version of himself because the woman you are now will not tolerate what once accepted. This is the bitter truth he must face. Closure is his journey now, not yours. You already got your closure the day you chose yourself. He may wake up one day ready to come home, thinking he can circle back to the same open heart. But he does not realize that heartbreak transforms a woman. It breaks the version of her who accepted less and builds the version who demands more. That door he left from has been replaced. The lock has changed. The woman behind it is no longer available in the way he remembers. She is healed. She is living like he never left the void because she filled it on her own. That is what cuts the deepest. Not that she hates him, but that she no longer needs him. He will try to explain, talk about timing and fear, but time has already done its job. You have outgrown what he once meant to you, and that is the end of that chapter.